Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to show you the papers and things that we have left over after we have shipped out all of the class kits for our virtual retreat, which is the 22nd, 23rd, and 24th. Now, let me say this. We do have a few class kits left. If you purchase them like today or tomorrow, and we ship them priority, you'll be able to get them, before classes. But also keep in mind that the classes are going to be recorded, and you're going to get the exclusive recorded link so you can watch them at any time. If you want to purchase a class kit, you don't have to watch them next Thursday or next Friday or next Saturday. You can watch them a month from now if you want to and do your kit. But I wanted to let you know that we do have a few class kits left. Now, I had lots of people who asked me, did I have any of the soft-cover journals left? I was able to put together 2 more. That's all I could get the material for. So if you want them, they will be up as soon as this video is over. So make sure that you go over. I'll put all the links and everything below. Make sure you go over and grab them because I don't think I'll be able to put together more than 2. Okay. Now, this we have left over. We have lots of these. Have a Merry Christmas. Now, we got these at a very good price. So therefore, we're going to let you have them at a very good price. We never charge full price on something that we get at a discount. We always pass that discount on to you. So this one, I think we have the most of this one, Have a Merry Christmas. And this is the, it's by Echo Park, and it's got 12 by 12 double-sided papers, including the cover. On this cover sheet right here, on the back side, there's a beautiful paper. And then it's got a 12 by 12 element sticker sheet in there as well. And that is, let's see, that's that right there. There's the sticker sheet. And then here's some elements. And then here are a full sheet of tags. All of that is in there. So we've got plenty of those. This one, Santa's Workshop. We've got, I don't know, a few of these. I can't remember exactly how many, but, all that information will be up. This one has the same, 12 by 12 double-sided textured. These papers are textured. Textured papers, including the cover. It has something on the back. And then 12 by 12 element sticker sheet, and that is this right here. That right there. And then here's the beautiful element sheet. And then all this is textured. You can feel the texture on it. So we have some of those left. That's Santa's Workshop. And then for the autumn papers, we have Celebrate Autumn. Now this was a last year's collection, but it was a very popular collection. We was able to get our hands on a few more. So we have this in stock. I think we have quite a few of these. Or maybe it's this one. I don't know. We have quite a few of one or the other. This has the same 12 by 12 double-sided papers, and then it has an element sticker sheet in there as well, which is that right there. And then there's the element sticker sheets. So it's got journaling cards and everything. I loved this paper. I used this last year for a lot of projects. This right here was one of the things that I did. I did tags like that. Absolutely loved them. So we've got those, and then we've got Fall is in the Air. We've got quite a few of these. Same thing on the paper. This one has the wood grain in it, which makes very beautiful tags. There is the stickers right there, and there is your element sheets. All right, then we ended up with a ton of elements and journaling cards. And now this is what I was talking to you about. I don't think we have any more of this collection left. I will look, and if we do, I'll put it up. This was Celebrate Christmas. We didn't get that many of these in. I bought all that they had, and we used them in our kits. But I will, if we do, I'll have it up for sure. But on the back side of the cover sheet, so this is the cover sheet, on the back side are these beautiful cutouts that you can use. And then you could just back them with some white paper and use them for journaling cards. That's what I'll be doing with a lot of them. So we had quite a few of those left. I mean, there's no way I would throw that away. No way. If nobody else wants them, I'll use them myself. And then this one, we had quite a few of these. This one has paper on the back side of it. This is from Have a Merry Christmas. I don't think we had any of this paper left either. I'm not sure. Anyway, all the paper that we have will be put up. But this one I thought was really pretty. So you could use, if you didn't want to use these, you could use the back side. So let's see. Let me go through here. Now, this one, as you can see, these are the same thing. But this one is backed on paper. And then this one is the cover sheet. So you may get one that's the cover sheet. You may get one that has the backing on there. We're just going to be pulling them out of there and shipping them. That's what we're going to do. And we're probably going to bundle these together because, you know, shipping one sheet of this is almost ridiculous as far as the shipping goes, because we would have to put a piece of chipboard behind this, and therefore it would cost you more to ship it than it would for the product. So we'll probably bundle a lot of these elements and stickers and things together and just let you buy them as a little bundle. Okay, all of those are the same thing. Then we had quite a few of these left. So, and these are on the opposite side of the cover. But like I said, you can either use these for little journaling cards, put some white paper on the back, or you can just use them as tucks. And see, there's one or two that has the paper on the back side. So you never know what you're going to get. Now, these are all sticker sheets. This one and this one. Let's see how many of these we got. We got quite a few. All of this goes down to right there. All of these are sticker sheets. So these are the sticker sheets from Fall is in the Air. Now, that paper has sticker sheets in it, but these are just some extra ones that we had left over after we got kits and everything put together. So these are those. Aren't they cute? I love that little bear. He's so cute. So we got those, and then that goes in there. That's another one of those. That goes right there. Okay. Oh, owl. Oh, me. These are just some papers, I think. Let me pull these out. I just grabbed up what I had over there. But I want you to look at this. Isn't that paper gorgeous? I love that. I'll probably keep this little stack myself. This was just some that we had out of one sheet left. I think that's all of the, yeah, that's all of the stickers and the papers that we have. So all of these will be up in the shop. As soon as you see this video, they'll be up there. So we will list all of these up. Now I wanted to show you our E-Club kit for October. First off, most of, now I won't say that you'll get one, but most of the these waterproof bags had either orange or black in that. Isn't that neat? That went right along with October. Some of them, you know, don't quote me. You may not get one that's orange or black, but some of them did. Because we have to buy them at random. We just get what we get, you know. That's the only way I can buy them other than paying a ton in shipping that I can't afford. So, alrighty. You get some orange paper, and then I'll show you, see if I can show you this paper. You see that paper? It's like a glitter, but it's not glitter. It's so pretty. What do they call this? They call it, well, I thought it said on here what they call it. But it's like a, I don't know, it's like it has sparkle on the inside of it. I can't explain it exactly, but you can see it there. So you get the papers. Something just blew off. And then we went ahead and printed this off for you because these images kind of go with this collection. So we went ahead and printed this off for you. So this is some of the papers that you get. These are like the dot papers. There's browns and oranges and yellows and a kind of a gray. And there's a green. And there's a kind of a cream colored. And there's a little bit of a burnt umber. And there, I don't know what you would call that exactly. And there is a brown. And then there's, my goodness, that was loud. There is a black and white dot. And then there's just a black dot. So you get that stack of papers. And then you also get Happy Fall. This is a new collection from Echo Park. The new one this year. You get this, and it has got, let's see, 24 double-sided paper, 65 pound. This is a good pound cardstock, so you get all of this. Look at this. Would those stickers not go well with this collection? Look at that little bear and that fox. Those stickers that we've got extra would go well with this collection. And look at that. So cute. I'm going to flip through it real quick. I love this collection. And then these you can use for cutouts. Pretty. That's pretty. Like that one. They're very, very thick. So, lots of these to play around with. Look at that, the pumpkins. That's pretty. And a lot of these have that teal color in it, and all of those stickers and things for fall have that same teal in there. There's the truck. So these stickers, or the stickers that we have extra, will go well with this collection too. So you can put it all together. Look at that. All right, and then they start all over again. So that is the paper collection. Then you get a Tim Holtz dauber with the little sponge on the end, and then I think you get an extra sponge in here. And let me see if I can open this little bag without making too much damage in here. There we go. So in this little bag, you get all of your goodies. Come on, get out of there. Okay, you get an extra dauber sponge. And then you get some flowers. Some fall flowers. Look at these. Aren't they gorgeous? Now, I want to tell you a little secret about these flowers. Or I guess it's not really a secret, but they don't tell anybody how to do this. When we get these flowers, a lot of times they're already squished. And let me see if I can get that glare off of that right there for you. Move it over this way. So, you know, we just go ahead and send them out. We package them and send them out. If you get some flowers and they're squished, all you need to do is spritz them a little bit with water. Don't soak it, just spritz it. And then pull it back up like it needs to be, and then just let it sit. When it dries, it will go right back to the form that it was supposed to be. And it will stay that way. It'll be firm. So all you need to do is just spritz them just a little bit and then form it back like you want to. I do that all the time with them. So there's lots of beautiful flowers in there. And then ephemera. You get ephemera. And so there's some ephemera in there. Then you get two different colors of Tim Holtz mini inks. This is the Distress ink in Gathered Twigs and Fossilized Amber. And they go beautifully with that collection. You get some bling, of course. And this is kind of an ambery color. Not amber. That's kind of a cream color, tan color. And then, of course, you get your Glycerin bag. And then we went ahead and printed off and cut for you. I made these templates and I went ahead and cut them out because I know a lot of people are like me. You struggle with fussy cutting, and so these are your templates. So when you get your kit, you're going to have some of these in there, and these are going to be templates. So you can use these to trace onto another piece of paper. There's some little small photo pieces there. So that's like those little photo, oh my gosh, my mind's blank. You know what I'm talking about. It's the little Polaroid photo thingamajigs. And then you get a small little envelope. This is kind of a pocket. This folds up. The fold lines are where those black lines are, and then it's got an opening here where you can put your picture or whatever in there, and then you get a large one just like it. So there's your small one, there's your large one. Let me see if I can get all of this. Then you get a large, this is a specimen card. So there's a large one. And then we made you a small one there. Now this is just the cutout for one of the circles. I don't know which right there. That we went ahead and included that in there if you wanted to use it. But it's just the cutout. Then you get a pumpkin cutout. So you can use this. And I've saw somebody already use this and made a beautiful little 3D pumpkin for their table. For table decor. That was really pretty. That again is your cutout. And then you get some smaller pumpkins. So you get some 4 different sizes of pumpkins. And I know you can't see those little ones on there, so let's slide those off. And then you get some different leaves in here. So all of these are your templates that you can use. You can save them, put template on there, and then just use them on your paper to trace off and make other things out of. So these are all the templates that we gave you in this collection. So that is the October E-Club kit. I wanted to show you this and let you know that we have 6, I believe it is, left. This is the waterproof zipper bag that we always put in the kits. It is an A4 size. So it's going to hold all of those papers and things that are in here, keep them all corralled. But this is the October kit. If you're interested in one of the ones that we have extra, make sure that you go over and purchase it. That link will be directly below. They will not last long. Usually when I put up the video, by the time I get the video loaded good, they're gone. So if you want one, make sure you go over now and go ahead and purchase it. Because like I said, 6 I think is all that I have left. Alright guys, we'll talk to you later. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks so much for all of your support. We'll see you later. Bye bye.